I know. Why'd it close like that?
Yeah, I can't believe that.
I mean, you are all over the place.
That's the first time I shot my own gun.
Is it nice? You like it?
Got a little bit of a kick.
Oh yeah, of course.
I didn't think it'd have that big of a kick.
Oh, of course it would. Huh?
We're gonna need some more bullets.
I told you it goes
That went
fast.
quick.
Yeah, I told you. You see my shit, or I need to put it out more? Look at all the headshots. Headshots, baby.
I'm in the right vicinity.
Oh yeah, you good. You're doing good.
I didn't hit your target.
Not yet. Reloading ammunition. Make sure the gun is always safe. Brother, go. You done?
We need some more. How many you got?
This is one.
You shot your...
Yeah,
Who really needs an hour?
I know.
Holy shit.
Alright, third clip. Chest. Heart. Head. to go. Shoot that next. Get that shit, homie.
You got that on?
Yeah.
Should I bring it? That's why yours is so good looking, because it's so close.
Well, you don't need to be. It's the handgun. You don't need to be so far. Most interactions are within 20 feet. Or 10 or 12 feet, I think it is. I don't know, one or two. And just concentrate, aim. Do you know where the break point is?
A little bit.
Where you can pull the trigger back, and then you know if you pull a little bit more, it's gonna go.
I get a little shaky though.
Yeah, you'll get used to it.
Stop moving. Stop moving.
Let it either go forward or back, because it seems like you're right at the heat vent, and that's why it's moving side to side. Laser. When you're done, you always want to make sure it's safe, so you know it's safe when it's like that.
That's why.
Yeah.
Go buy another box.
Huh?
Go buy some more. Go buy another box. There. Are you recording me?
Mm-hmm.
Fire.
Yeah, he's got an AR.
See the fire.
Fire. Another one? No, he's just just dumb.
I see the flashing light.
Yeah, well, watch when he pulls that trigger. Watch it. See?
Oh, all right. My bad. Looks like a fire.
Yeah, it does.
That's pretty cool.
That's why I want an AR.
No, I like the 15. Is that a 15?
Huh?
AR 15 or whatever?
Yeah. All right, man. Rest is yours.
Last one. Put all over.
Oh, I know. It's just something when they come out, they're really hot, so I don't want you to melt your shit.
Oh. I've already. Wow, that's a lot of bullets.
Yeah, that's probably all day. That's why I would
You
close
want to
these.
shoot mine?
Huh?
You want to shoot mine?
If you let me.
Seems like that kicks you back more than yours.
Mm-hmm.
You want another one?
Yeah, we got time. Hey.
Yeah.
He's gonna ask for $1 again.
Oh, yeah.
You must clean your area up. Load up, homie. Huh?
We're not saving all these empty ones, are we?
Keep it like I'd keep 4.
That is an expensive hobby.
See how fast that goes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the range is only $12 for the hour.
Right.
The ammo.
Yeah, but the reason why I say keep them is because when gun shows come around, you go there, you buy the reloads, and they're a lot cheaper.
They told me not to put reloads.
They say that, but I do it. I know a bunch of people who do it, but you put them in these boxes so it makes them think that that's federal.
Oh.
So instead of paying, you know, what they
I might want to look at those bags before we leave.
Oh yeah, we can look around, man.
I mean, we got till 6.
Yeah,
We got here
time.
before 5. We
Yeah.
haven't been here that long.
No, we got plenty of time.
Dude, that went real fast.
I told you it would. It's only 5:21.
Did you like the way mine shot?
Yeah,
Or
your
was it
trigger pull is so much smoother.
Yeah.
I love it. It's so
You don't have
nice.
to take your finger off of it either.
Huh?
To let it reset, all you got to do is just bring it back till it
Yeah.
clicks. Damn, look how dirty my fingers are.
Oh yeah, gunpowder residue, brother.
Yeah.
That's how you go to jail. You shoot somebody, they see you, they test your hands. It's the first thing they do.
Man.
Aw, pussy can't load his weapon.
What's that? Is that for that pipe cleaner?
Yep. This will. Yeah, you can use this to go in your barrel. I'll show you when we get back to the house because I want to clean mine before
I'm actually getting good at the speed loader.
Yeah. And as you keep loading, it gets a lot easier.
What's you gonna load yours?
Yeah.
I loaded 2 out of that last one.
You bought it. That's why I was. It's your first. I've done this a lot, so that's why I want you to keep going.
Alright, I'll load 2. I should keep 1 bullet for at home.
You should buy some good ammo for the house for protection.
Oh, that's that plastic bead shit?
Mm-hmm.
I wonder how much that shit is a box.
like $30 for 25 of them.
Wow. But that's for only
But you
one.
only, you don't fucking shoot those. You use those.
Those are for target practice.
Yeah.
You don't have a speed loader?
No. I'm a man, son. I'm a man.
Are you trying to show it off? I don't know what it is. This is kind of perfect. Not too big. Yeah, you can have the rest.
We got 2 bags. Good?
Yeah, go ahead.
Reload. Pull it back.
Yeah.
So you don't want to. I mean, you can put it in, go like that, but
Don't do that.
you can. But to get that the slide worked in, you always want to keep pulling it back as much as possible.
How come it doesn't go in right away?
What do you mean?
Okay.
You don't be a pussy. This you see TV shit. That ain't joke. Whack that motherfucker.
I'm fucked all over the place.
It's alright though. You gotta get used to the weapon.
Yeah.
You get used to that weapon, you'll be.
Wow. You said to keep.
I want to. You probably want to. Actually, whatever you don't want, keep them all.
I want to wash my hands.
Oh, we will.
I'd have to say I'm not happy the first time.
Not at all.
There's more in than there is out. If that's the way I should look at it. Huh?
Yeah.
It could have been worse.
Yeah, it could have been a lot worse. Oh, it's over there. Bill. The thing's over there.
Keep it over there.